I just bought another used Squier from the Facebook marketplace. Why did I buy this? So this is a sunburst Squier, which I always wanted while I have bought the black Squier earlier. That was my first guitar. And it's the same Squier bullet but in sunburst. Now this is used and it has its own issues. So to start with, it has this huge ding where some paint is lost. Now the body itself looks great. It is a multi-piece setup, but it's a mahogany body, I am assuming. It's a HSS configuration. From the back, the lamination is more clearly visible. It is a very thin 38.5 mm body made in Indonesia sometime in 2015, and these frets are somewhat worn out and needing some fretwork. I would see if I can do this or even change the frets. Let's see the fretwork again first. The bridge also had some issues. One of the screws were replaced. Let's check out the resistance. This is using my custom made testing cable. The neck showed something like 3.7, which is unusually low, but that's expected out of Squier. Middle was 3.6, and then the bridge was 9.9. You need to ensure that all the knobs are turned to the maximum while doing this test. In the intermediate position it showed just 1.8, so I'm clearly going to replace this. There are some dings at the back, and then there are some scratch marks from probably the belt. Can we make this Squier better? This is what will be in this project in the upcoming episodes. Do watch out. I'll be reusing the whole body, neck, starting with some ding repair as well. And then we'll see what pickups we have to use, what electronics we have to use, and what other hardware changes. Of course, it is going to get a new bridge as well with a better trem block, maybe. So, those are all what is coming up. Stay tuned.